Range Rover Velar proves wide body kits make everything better. No more SUV features. Land Rover, Range Rover Velar, into a Shako 10 and wide body kit. It is not just off-road, just on-road. What if a radical model, equipped with Shako 10 and wide body kit, based on Land Rover, Range Rover Velar, the top model of Land Rover, appeared? Rendering is released. This render was created by digital artist Brad Build, who completely broke down the high off-road performance and sporty style of Land Rover, original off-road, and got a level that would not be funny, even if rubbing under the stomach, and a wide body kit, such as a custom fender. Range Rover Velar no longer has a sense of luxury and SUV, but the carbon fiber wing of the race car style, and the style of the overhanging fender of the rear are reminiscent of Japan Extreme Tuner Liberty Walk. This is Shako 10 Velar, seen from the rear profile. The custom aluminum wheel, with the protruding muffler and rim completely inside, is the VIP Karuk. If you put on a bamboo muffler, it will be a family car specification, but it is suppressed by Extreme so far. It is not a SUV, but a hatchback. Full aero, Shako 10 Velar with front splitter, side skirt and rear diffuser. Off-road driving, which is also the strength of Land Rover, is almost difficult to drive on-road. What do you think of Land Rover wide body kit? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates.